Hi, and a very welcome to the Spring Stitch Along Challenge. We're just about to start, and that's quite exciting because I have been preparing it for quite a few weeks now. So I always love this kind of like anticipation and then finally getting stuck in. Before we go ahead and start stitching day one, I wanted to do a little introductory video just in case you were still thinking about purchasing the kit. I just wanted to run you through what we have in the kit. So you will have a piece of fabric. This is not the one here. This one is the one I'm going to use for the videos. It's a cushion cover that I have. This is one option you can use definitely, and you can actually stitch it on pretty much anything you like, because just the first thing that I'm going to show you about the kit is that you get a piece of the pattern, printed on dissolvable paper. It is actually really practical because all you do is you peel off the backing and put it on your fabric and start stitching. Once you're done with the stitching, you put it underwater, it dissolves the excess of fabric and all this excess of paper, and it just leaves you with the actual design, which is exactly what I did for this. So as you can tell, you can't see any more of the paper. And it was actually really practical because you don't have to trace it. It's all there for you. You just have to follow the lines, and this is it. So that's the first thing you get in your kit. You also get I'll show you the pattern first. I decided to also put the pattern like this in the kit. This is for anyone who might decide that this is not their option and they would rather trace it. So if that's the case and you prefer using the pattern, just use a water erasable marker or the heat erasable marker, which is kind of my favorite sort of method if you go that way, because it's so easy to make it disappear. And then that's it really. So that's for the pattern. So you have two options. You have obviously your needle, you have all the thread that you need with the colors that I'm using. If you decide to use a different color, absolutely fine by me. You just need to make sure you have your own thread, but you know, otherwise that's the one you get. And you get the guide, and in the guide you have two parts. The first one is really about how to get set up with your hoop, how to get it all ready, and then the second part is your stitching part. And in that second part you get every single day your design with the stitch that we use. The direction of the stitch is marked there, and then you have your color codes for your thread. So if you want to purchase the kit, it's still on sale on Etsy. If you don't see it there, just don't hesitate to send me a message. They have been very popular and they have been going very quickly. I try to restock regularly, but you know, if I haven't had the chance and it's not there, please get in touch. Also to let you know, I have ordered the pre-printed fabric, but everything takes forever with the virus, and I'm probably not going to get them for a little while. So until I get the fabric, this is how I'm going to send you the kit. So I think you have the main details, and yes, let's get started.